How to replace a human touch WholeBody ROVE Footrest Actuator. You will need a wire cutter and zip ties to complete this procedure. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, remove the tablet from the tablet holder, then pull up on the tablet holder to remove it. Place both items on the chair seat. Now, gently tip the chair onto its right-hand side. Follow the footrest actuator cables from the actuator to the connectors, cutting zip ties along the way to free the cables. Next, cut the zip tie that secures the two sides of each footrest actuator connector together, then disconnect the connectors. Now, remove the clip that secures the rear hinge pin, then pull downward on the pin to remove it. Remove the clip that secures the front hinge pin, then pull upward on the pin to remove it. You can now remove the actuator from the chair. To install the new actuator, place it into position aligning the mounting points, then replace the two hinge pins and clips to secure it. Next, connect the two actuator connectors to the corresponding connectors from the chair, matching by size. Use a new zip tie to secure the two sides of each connector together. Cut the excess zip ties. Now, install 3 new zip ties to secure the connectors to the cable bundle. Install 3 new zip ties in a crisscross pattern to secure the cable bundle to the chair frame. Include the air hose in the third zip tie only. Cut the excess zip ties. Now, install 3 new zip ties to secure the cables together between the chair frame and the actuator. Make sure to include the air hose in one of the zip ties. Cut the excess zip ties. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Align the flat side of the tablet holder with the flat side of the bracket, then push firmly downward to secure it. Place the tablet into the holder. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.